Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to find your invite link in Monopoly Go so you can share it with your friends. First thing, go ahead and open the Monopoly Geo app. At the bottom right of your screen, tap on the Friends button. Here you'll see your personal friend code. You can copy this code directly and send it to your friends, and they'll be able to add you. But if you want to share a clickable link instead of just the code, you'll need to use the invite button. Still inside the friends section, tap invite at the bottom right. A pop-up may appear. Just close it and you'll see the main invite window. Now scroll through the sharing options. Depending on your phone, you might see an option like notes or even copy link. If you see notes, tap it. And from there, you'll be able to grab your personal Monopoly Go link. If that option isn't available, just use copy and the invite text, including the link, will be saved to your clipboard. Once the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere. A notes app, a browser, or directly into a chat with your friends. Just long press, hit paste, and your Monopoly Go link will be ready to send. And that's it. You now know how to find and share your Monopoly Go link, either with the friend code or the invite link. If this was helpful, go ahead and drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.